everyone, The Real Shark Bait here, and in today's video we're going to be learning, or I'm going to be teaching you how to make this slime. And disclaimer, if you use this clear glue, it will turn out metallic, as you can see. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell, leave a like, comment if you want. It would be greatly appreciated, especially the like. So let's get on to the video. The ingredients are a mixing bowl, not clear glue, any type of glue that you want. Clear glue I'm using because I don't have any normal glue. Shaving cream, food coloring, optional solution. In my case, I'm using a spoon. So let's get into this. Oh, by the way, I don't have exact measurements. The more shaving cream, the more fluffy. So let's get into it. So first, you're gonna wanna pour in any amount of your, this is how much glue I have in there. It's not much, but remember, optional glue. Any type of glue you want. In my case, I'm using clear glue. On to the next. Time to add in your food coloring if you want it. So I'm gonna put it in. That's how much I used. And now you mix. And yeah, okay, I'll be back with the next step. Our shaving cream. Okay guys, the next step is shaving cream, and I already put it in. So now we add saline solution and add it in until like your slime picks off the walls. Once your slime looks like this, you need to start to knead it.